Welcome back, dear friends. Let us start with the 2 mark questions. So, in the part C, that is third main, we have 2 mark question. The first question is as follows. That is question number 17. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. From the chapter real numbers we have. So, here we need to prove that number 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number by using that root 5 is an irrational number. The proof for this question is as follows. We all know we will use contradiction method to prove this. So let us assume that uh, contradictory statement, that is 3 plus root 5 is an rational number. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಬಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಬಿ ವೇರ್ ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 and a and b are in the simplest form, that is are co-prime. The HCF of a and b between those two is 1 ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So by sending this 3 to that side, I will get root 5 is equal to a divided by b minus 3. By taking LCM, so root 5 will be equal to b is the LCM. I am going to get a minus 3b. We all know difference of two integer. Here 3b is an integer, a is an integer. So the numerator will become an integer and denominator is also will become an integer. So we all know integer by integer will become a rational number. So what I am going to get? I am getting root 5 is a rational number. Is it true? No. So this contradicts that. Root 5 is an irrational number. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು ರೂಟ್ 5 ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರೂಟ್ 5 ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ವೈ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ರಾಷನಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ therefore what we can say, 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. It cannot be rational. ಅದು rational ಆಗಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು, irrational ಆಗಬೇಕು. Now I am going to take the second question. So an internal choice is given for the second question. What is a composite number? The first question is, what is a composite number? So I am going to write the solution for the first one in the left side and solution for the second one in the right side. So what is the composite number and which is the composite among the 23 and 24? See, composite numbers means what? Composite numbers are the numbers having more than 2 factors. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೋ, the numbers having, so the integer having more than 2 factors are called composite number. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Composite numbers ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So among them 23 and 24. 23 we all know it is a prime number. So 24 can be written as, look at this, 2 12s are, this is 2 6s are, then 2 3s are and 3 1s. You can observe there are 3 factors here. How many factors for the 24? Here is 1 factor, here is another factor, here is third factor. Therefore what we can say, 24 is a composite number. In among the given 2 number, 24 is composite. Now for the second one, I am going to take fundamental theorem statement arithmetic. I need to state the statement of the theorem. What is the statement of the theorem? The statement, the theorem states that every composite number can be expressed as product of primes, and this factorization is unique. This is unique apart from the prime factor occurs. This is the statement of fundamental theorem. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಕಡೆ 3 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಈಚ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ 7 and 3 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ 7 3 ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ is 7 into 3, 7 into 3, so 21 is the number having 7 and 3 as its prime factors. Only its prime factors. Only its prime factors. Now I am moving on to the next question. Find the 21st term of an arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13 using the formula. So I need to find out 21st. That means A21 I need to calculate. For that AP is given. From the AP I can write A is equal to 5, D is equal to 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. We all know A21 is equal to A plus 20D. So A is 5, 20 into D is 4. So that is equal to A plus 4 to the 8, 80. So A21 is equal to 85 is the 21st term of an arithmetic progression. Next, solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. We need to solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. For that we need to change the sign. So I am going to change the sign of the second term, or else you can rewrite them highest of coefficients ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So here y will get cancels with y and 2x x minus 2x will become minus x, 4 minus 6 will become minus 2, therefore x is equal to 2 is the answer for the first one. Next I am going to get by substituting, put x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 in x plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus x, it is nothing but 4 minus 2 we will get. So the value of y is also equal to 2. So these are the solution for the question number 20th. Question number 21. If the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 equal to 0 has two equal roots, then find the equation. I need to find out the equation here. Quadratic equation I need to find out. That means I need to find out the value of the unknown here. For that they given the roots are equal here. So x square plus bx plus 9 equal to 0 as two real and equal roots. So if it has real and equal roots, that means what? So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b is b only, no value is not given. A is 1, in place of c we have 9 equal to 0. So b square minus 36 equal to 0. So b square is equal to plus 36. Actually b is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. It is nothing but plus or minus 6 we will get. But b is equal to plus 6 is not possible, as it is mentioned b is less than 1 year. So therefore what is the value of b? That is equal to minus 6 is the required value of b. Now the required equation, therefore the required equation is, so substitute the value of b, x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0 is the required equation for the question. 22. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment in the joining the point A B in the ratio. That means ratio is given. This is m1 is to m2. This is points are given. This is x1 x2. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. The coordinates of the point P of x comma y is given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So on substituting the values, corresponding values here, m1 is 3 and x2 is 8, m2 is 1 and x1 is 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Here m1 is 3, y2 is 5, m2 is 1 and y1 is 3. So here 3 plus 1. The coordinates are 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 divided by 4. Here 15 minus 3 divided by 4. So this is equal to 25 by 4 comma 15 minus 3 is 12, 12 by 4 is 3. So this is the point which divides the line segment joining in the ratio 3:. Next, question number 23. In the given figure, xy is the tangent to the at the point P to the circle with center O. Q is a point on xy. Show that. See, very simple problem. What I have to prove? I need a small construction to prove this. Let us join this with OQ. After joining, let us mark this as some R. See, from figure, what I can write? From figure, I can write OQ is equal to OR plus RQ. So OQ is equal to, what is OR? OR is nothing but OP, as this will become radius and radius. So here OP is equal to OR ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ OQ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ OP ಗೆ ನಾನು I need to add this RQ ಆಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ OP ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? This implies OP is smaller than OQ or OQ is greater than OP. Therefore, OQ will be greater than OP. This is the proof for the question number 12. It is a part of the theorem 1 actually. Theorem 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So now we'll take the last question in this segment, that is 2 mark segment. There is an internal choice is given for this. The first question, that is on the combination of solid. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius. So radius is given. So while writing solution, I am going to take the first one on the left side. So radius is 3.5 centimeter is given. I am going to write it as 35 by 10. That is 5 sevens and 5 twos centimeter. Mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy. So the toy is like this. So we have an hemisphere on the bottom and a cone on the top. So the total height is given. So height of the hemisphere we all know that is equal to radius, and total height is given. So total height I am going to write it on the left side, that is equal to 15.5. So if I subtract this, the height of cone will become, height for cone will become 15.5 minus 3.5, that will become 12 centimeter. So this is what the height of the cone. So now I need to find out what? Surface area. Find the total surface area of the toy. So TSA of toy is equal to, see, after combination we have two faces here. One is curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cone. To find out the curved surface area of the cone, I need to find out slant height. So what is L? L square is equal to R square plus H square. Right? So L square, R square is 7 by 2 whole square. This is equal to 12 square. So that is 49 by 4. This is 144. On simplification, we are going to get, so 49 plus 144 into 4 is 576 divided by 4. It is nothing but 625 by 4. So L is equal to 25 by 2. I am going to get for this particular problem. After getting value of L is this, I can find out TSA. So what is TSA of toy? TSA of toy is equal to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. So CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus TSA of cone is cone is pi r L. So we can take pi r as common factor. We are going to get 2r plus L. So pi is nothing is given. I am going to take 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2. So 2 into 7 by 2 plus this will become 25 by 2. 7 get cancelled. 11 1 2 1s are 2 11s are 11 into 14 plus 25. 14 plus 25, 2 in the denominator. 14 plus 25 is 39. I am going to get. It is nothing but 11 9 is 99, 11 3 is 33, 33 plus 7 44, 29 by 2, that is 214.5 centimeter square is the internal choice question is given for this. So let us take the second one. In the second question, they given volume of sphere. They given volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 539 divided by 3 centimeter cube. I need to find its surface area. I need to find out its surface area. To find out the surface area, what is the surface area of sphere? That is 4 pi r square. I need to find out the radius. To find the radius, they given the volume. So what is the volume of sphere? We all know that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is given as 539 divided by 3. 3 get cancelled. 4 into 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 539. So let us divide this by 11. 11 2s are, so 11 I can cancel on either side idre numerator ಇಂದ cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 11 4s are 44 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲಿ 9, 11 9s are 99. So r cube can be written as 49 into 7 divided by this 4 and 2 you can see here. So there is a 4 here and there is a 2 here. So the product will form 8 and that will come to the denominator. So that can be written as r cube is equal to 7 cube. 49 into 7 is, that is 7 square into 7 7 cube. This is 2 cube. R will become 7 by 2 centimeter. Now I got the radius as 7 by 2 centimeter. Now by using this radius, let us find out surface area. Volume kottidriga, find the surface area. Let us find out surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So that is 4 into pi is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 1 7 1 7 get cancelled. 2 2 the 4 and get cancelled with 4. So we will get 22 into 7. So 7 2 the 14, 7 2 the 14 plus 1 154 centimeter square is the surface area of the given sphere. And these are all the 8 different questions in the 2 mark section.